Our brains are intricate networks of billions of neurons constantly firing electrical signals. These signals create rhythmic patterns known as brainwaves, each associated with different mental states. When we're alert and focused, our brains hum with beta waves. During relaxation, alpha waves take over. Deep sleep is characterized by slow, rolling delta waves. Brainwave entrainment, an exciting field of neuroscience, explores how we can influence these rhythms to improve our mental and cognitive well-being. Imagine tuning your brain like a musical instrument, guiding it towards desired states of relaxation, focus, or sleep. Brainwave entrainment uses external stimuli to gently nudge our brainwaves into specific frequencies. This can be achieved through various methods, each with its own strengths and limitations. By understanding how these techniques work, we can unlock the potential of brainwave entrainment for therapeutic applications. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of brainwave entrainment, exploring its methods, benefits, and potential for addressing neurological disorders. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand and harness the power of our brain's symphony. Auditory brainwave entrainment, a popular and accessible method, utilizes sound to influence our brainwaves. One technique involves binaural beats, where slightly different frequencies are played in each ear. The brain, in an attempt to reconcile the difference, creates a third perceived beat at a frequency corresponding to the desired brainwave state. For example, listening to binaural beats with a frequency difference of 10 Hz can induce alpha brainwave activity, promoting relaxation. Another auditory method, known as pulsed sounds, involves delivering rhythmic tones or clicks at specific frequencies. The brain, entrained by these pulses, begins to synchronize its electrical activity with the external rhythm. This technique has shown promise in enhancing cognitive functions, such as attention and memory. Auditory brainwave entrainment offers a non-invasive and convenient way to influence our brainwaves, making it an attractive option for those seeking to improve sleep, reduce stress, or enhance cognitive performance. While auditory stimulation reigns supreme in popularity, brainwave entrainment extends beyond the realm of sound. Sensory stimulation techniques, such as flickering lights or rhythmic tactile sensations, can also entrain brainwaves. One notable example is the use of flickering lights at a frequency of 48 Hz, which has shown potential in stimulating gamma brainwave activity associated with enhanced cognitive processing and memory consolidation. For more targeted interventions, researchers are exploring invasive techniques like optogenetic modulation, photobiomodulation, and transcranial electrical magnetic stimulation, TMS. Optogenetics involves genetically modifying neurons to respond to light, allowing for precise control of brain activity. Photobiomodulation utilizes low-level lasers or LEDs to stimulate cellular function and promote healing in brain tissues. TMS uses magnetic pulses to stimulate or inhibit specific brain regions, offering therapeutic potential for various neurological disorders. Sleep, a cornerstone of our physical and mental health, is often disrupted in our fast-paced modern lives. Brainwave entrainment offers a promising avenue for improving sleep quality and addressing sleep disorders. As we drift off to sleep, our brainwaves transition from the faster beta waves of wakefulness to the slower alpha and theta waves of relaxation and drowsiness. Auditory entrainment, particularly using binaural beats or pulsed sounds in the alpha and theta frequency ranges, has shown efficacy in promoting sleep onset and improving sleep quality. These soothing sounds can help calm the mind, reduce racing thoughts, and guide the brain towards a state of restful sleep. By entraining our brainwaves to the frequencies associated with sleep, we can potentially overcome insomnia, reduce nighttime awakenings, and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Section 5. Sharpening the Mind: Cognitive Benefits of Entrainment. Beyond its sleep-enhancing effects, brainwave entrainment holds immense potential for enhancing cognitive functions. Studies have shown that specific brainwave frequencies are linked to attention, memory, learning, and creativity. By targeting these frequencies through entrainment, we can potentially sharpen our cognitive abilities and unlock our brain's full potential. For instance, entrainment in the theta frequency range, often achieved through binaural beats or pulsed sounds, has been linked to improved focus, enhanced creativity, and accelerated learning. Theta waves are associated with a state of relaxed alertness, where our minds are receptive to new information and insights. By inducing theta activity, entrainment may facilitate deeper states of learning, enhance problem-solving skills, and boost creative thinking. Section 6. The brain's rhythms, alpha, theta, and gamma waves. To fully grasp the potential of brainwave entrainment, it's crucial to understand the different brainwave frequencies and their associated mental states. Alpha waves, ranging from 8 to 12 Hz, dominate our brains during states of relaxation, meditation, and light sleep. They are linked to reduced anxiety, improved mood, and enhanced creativity. Theta waves, oscillating between 4 and 8 Hz, are prominent during deep relaxation, meditation, and REM sleep. They are associated with heightened learning, enhanced intuition, and access to subconscious memories. Gamma waves, the fastest brain waves ranging from 30 to 80 Hz, are crucial for higher-order cognitive functions, such as attention, perception, memory, and consciousness. They are thought to play a vital role in binding information from different brain regions, enabling us to process information efficiently and experience a unified sense of self. Section 7. A beacon of hope entrainment for brain disorders. The potential of brainwave entrainment extends beyond enhancing sleep and cognition. It holds promise as a therapeutic tool for addressing various brain disorders. Neurological conditions like dementia, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and traumatic brain injury are often characterized by disruptions in normal brainwave patterns. Brainwave entrainment offers a non-invasive and potentially effective way to modulate these disrupted rhythms and promote brain health. For instance, studies suggest that entrainment in the gamma frequency range may improve cognitive function and reduce amyloid plaque buildup in Alzheimer's patients. Similarly, entrainment in the alpha and theta ranges has shown potential in reducing anxiety and improving sleep in individuals with dementia. Section 8. New Horizons, Recent Findings, and Future Directions. The field of brainwave entrainment is constantly evolving, with new research shedding light on its mechanisms, benefits, and potential applications. Recent studies have explored the use of personalized entrainment protocols, tailoring the frequency and duration of stimulation to an individual's unique brainwave patterns. This personalized approach aims to maximize the effectiveness of treatment and minimize potential side effects. Researchers are also investigating the long-term effects of brainwave entrainment, examining whether its benefits extend beyond immediate sessions and lead to lasting changes in brain function. Moreover, there is growing interest in combining brainwave entrainment with other therapies, such as neurofeedback and cognitive training, to enhance their therapeutic outcomes. As our understanding of the brain deepens, the potential applications of brainwave entrainment are only beginning to be explored. Section 9. A balanced perspective, limitations, and the path forward. While brainwave entrainment holds immense promise, it's essential to approach this field with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential and its limitations. The effectiveness of brainwave entrainment can vary significantly between individuals, and factors like age, genetics, and the specific condition being treated can influence outcomes. More research is needed to fully elucidate the underlying mechanisms of brainwave entrainment and determine the optimal protocols for different conditions. Standardized treatment guidelines and rigorous clinical trials are crucial to validate its efficacy and establish best practices. As with any emerging field, it's important to approach claims of miraculous cures with healthy skepticism and rely on evidence-based information. With continued research and responsible application, brainwave entrainment has the potential to revolutionize our approach to brain health and unlock new frontiers in human potential.